we are going to breeze past the fact that my hair is extremely frizzy in this video because we have collabed with Polly Pocket. That's right, Polly Pocket. Like the Polly Pocket. Are you okay? Are you getting fainty? I know, it's a big deal. Guys, I have been wanting to talk about this collection for so long because I am so excited. You guys know how I feel about nostalgia. My life is just me feeling nostalgic about my childhood. That's what my adult life revolves around. And we had the absolute honor, the absolute privilege of collabing with Polly Pocket on a really fun, like springy, a little summery too. It's so good. This collection is so good and so Polly Pocket. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. There's just so much to talk about. There's so much to talk about. So if you don't already know, us at Light Slacker, we have collabed with Polly Pocket to give you this stunning collection that comes with 4 nail polishes, really fun, unique charms, brand new charms that we've never launched before, and really fun, so cute nail art tattoos, which our tattoos are so unique, so fun, and they're like 50 million times better than nail art stickers because they don't have a border, they don't have an edge, they just look flat on the nail, and these are so good. And you can actually purchase this full collection on our website right now at lightslacker.com. If you want the full like PR experience, it is there for you on sale. Look how cute this box is. Like the feel of it, the emboss, the shine. Can we look at this? Can we look at this? This might be the cutest packaging I've ever seen. And I'm really excited because we actually made the PR box to fit our little unicartons. So even when you buy the PR box, you get the little individual unicartons as well, which we hadn't done that in the past with other PR boxes and collections. So I'm really excited. You get the full experience with the PR box. Oh, and also you get really beautiful laptop stickers. I'm gonna insert a picture of them right here. They're so fun and so cool, and they come exclusively with the PR collection. So yeah, before I get into the collection, I just want to say I'm so grateful that we were able to work with Polly Pocket. They were so incredible, so nice to work with, such a good team, and it was so fun making this whole collection. The overall experience was just so great, so I just wanted to say thank you to Polly Pocket because it was a dream come true. I have my little Polly Pocket here with me. Did you guys ever play with Polly Pocket? Because this was huge when I was a kid. My sister was obsessed with Polly Pocket. She was the one that really got me into it. And I have my little like hello heart one here. I used to play with them so much. My sister had so many Polly Pockets, like a full-on collection. It was wild. And honestly, like the most adorable little toys, and I feel like kids today are still playing with them. Like one of my best friends, Stephanie, her daughter Emma, loves Polly Pockets, and she's 5 years old. She's a newbie. She just came into the world, and she is playing with Polly Pockets all the time. So it's so exciting. I feel like this is a collection for all generations, and I cannot be more proud and more excited. And let's get into it. Let's get into it because these colors are so good. So the collection comes with 4 nail polishes, and they all have a super shiny jelly finish, and we wanted to go with that finish to really resemble like the shininess of the packaging because all of the Polly Pocket compacts are like super shiny, so we really wanted to resemble that in the formula. So we made them really stunning jelly finishes, which is so perfect for Polly Pocket. Can we look at these bottles? Hold on, let's take a moment for the bottles. These little caps scream Polly Pocket. I mean, this whole collection screams Polly Pocket, of course, but this like pink just looks so beautiful with the bows and the little Polly Pocket logo on the front. I swear this collection just tickles me. I'm tickled. I just want to display them and look at them like this. So we wanted to do a mini collection since Polly Pocket is all about her mini little world. Tiny is Mighty, which is the name of one of our shades. We went with a very spring into summer color story, something that you can wear in the spring and summer because Polly Pocket, the colors are so vivid and bright, but they're also like very light, very spring and summer. Nothing about Polly Pockets is fall and winter, you know? So we went with this really fun color story, and 2 of them have a really beautiful, soft, like rainbow shimmer. Again, to represent Polly's packaging, it's so pretty. How many times am I gonna say it's so pretty? How many times? So the 2 colors that have that really pretty like diamond rainbow finish in them are Tiny is Mighty and Pocket World. They still have that jelly finish, but it has that soft, gorgeous diamondy shimmer. And this is the most stunning purple polish I think I've ever seen. I'm a green and blue gal, so I'm all about this shade, but I really like this purple. Definitely one of my favorite purples we've ever done, and I'm just obsessed with this formula. Pocket World literally reminds me so much of one of the Polly Pockets my sister had back in the day. It was this exact like teal color, and it had a little bit of glitter on it. It's just like, oh my god, it reminds me so much of it. It's is so nostalgic. So that was the purple and teal, and then we have like two pinky colors. This is a more like magenta tone, and this is more of like a soft pink. The magenta shade is called Polyville. I love her so much. She is also a they're all jelly finishes, but she is gorgeous. I'm wearing her on my pinky here and on this finger. Like the most stunning transparency magenta. If you want the collection to be fully opaque on your nails, all you need is 3 coats, but 2 coats gives you that perfect like jelly see-through finish where it's like barely see-through, barely. It just mainly looks so incredibly shiny. It gives you the illusion of gel nails, honestly. So that's Polyville, love her so much. And then I think this is my favorite shade in the entire collection because I just love the name. It's called It's the Little Things, and it's such a soft, beautiful pink. Such a trendy pink for the springtime. This color, I've been seeing it everywhere, like this type of pink, especially in this like jelly finish. It's so lovely, and it's the little things in life. Okay, now I need to talk about our freaking nail charms because these are my favorite nail charms. These are the best nail charms we've ever done. First, I gotta show you the packaging because I'm just a packaging sucker. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my gosh, isn't that so freaking cute? I can't. So our Polly Pocket charms are so fun. All you have to do is apply it to like a base coat, a color, a top coat, any nail polish underneath when it's still wet. Apply it with our wax pen, and it gives you like a really pretty 3D charm effect. And these are so fun because they have a really beautiful iridescence to them. So depending on how you move your nail around, it really catches the light and it looks so, so beautiful. I'm actually gonna insert a picture right here of It's the Little Things, and the charms are like scattered around it, and you can see that it just reflects off the camera. It looks so dreamy and angelic. I love it so much. And I love that all of these shapes are super Polly Pocket. We have shells, stars, hearts, moons, everything in the Polly Pocket world in terms of shapes are in this little jar, which is so fun. I'm actually wearing this on my face. I'm wearing our Polly Pocket charms on my thumbs and on my face. I wanted to wear some of these on my face because I thought they were so cute. Like, look at this shell, how cute. It is adorable. And honestly, I just threw on some eyelash glue and popped them on my face, and they're perfect for like festivals, Coachella vibes. I love it. You got a mermaid party to go to, you got a Y2K party to go to. But yeah, they're for your nails. And I'm actually wearing them on my thumbs. We just like jam-packed them on my thumbs, me and Leslie, to give us that fun little look. And I love how my nails came out. I just did like a little Skittle Mani with all the shades. And yeah, they're just so much fun, and you can use this in different ways, okay? So many ways to use this. And then last, but certainly not least, we have to talk about our nail art tattoos because these Polly Pocket ones are just darling. We wanted to make them extremely wearable, so we went with like bows, hearts, stars. Honestly, again, just so freaking cute, and our tattoos are so easy to apply. And I'm really happy that we went with nail art tattoos for the Polly Pocket launch because Polly Pocket is so nostalgic, and these tattoos are very similar to like the tattoos we used to wear as kids where you had to like apply it with water and a little cotton ball and like peel it off. These are very, very similar to that, but for your nails. So it's just, again, so nostalgic and so fun. But yeah, guys, that's it. That is our full Polly Pocket collection for the Polly Pocket lover. And even if you're not a Polly Pocket lover, these colors are everything. This formula is everything. So shiny. You guys are gonna love this so much. We've been seeing these types of shades trend so much in the nail space, so I'm so excited to give you guys this collection. Definitely go check it out, and remember that this is limited edition, so once we sell out of this, that's it. It is gone forever, so get your hands on it while you can. But yeah, guys, I think that is everything I wanted to mention. Again, shout out to Polly Pocket. Seriously, a dream come true. Thank you so much. Thank you guys, because this would not be even possible without you guys. So thank you so much for all the support you give our brand. Light Slacker could not do anything without you guys. I love you so much. I hope you love this collection. I hope you like this video. Just wanted to quickly throw something up here so you can see the colors a little bit better. And so we can tell you that we collabed with Polly Pocket, guys. We collabed with Polly Pocket. I need to slow it down on my Alani News because my caffeine levels, I could tell in my videos. I could tell. But yeah, guys, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.